Are your controls too bright or maybe too transparent in eFootball? No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the button opacity on Android so your controls look and feel just right while you play. Let's jump in. Launch the eFootball app on your Android device. From the home screen, tap Extras. Then select Game Settings. Now tap Play Settings. Then tap Control Type. Make sure it's selected Virtual Pad. After that, look for the button opacity and tap it. You will see the percentage option for opacity. Increase the opacity of buttons to make them more visible. Decrease the opacity of the buttons to make them more transparent. Button opacity is part of the control customization system available in game settings. Your buttons will now appear exactly how you want during matches. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more eFootball tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.